Radiator hose clamps seem boring until one fails and dumps coolant everywhere. I've been there. So I went out, bought 5 of the most talked about options, and actually used them on cars, garden lines, and shop projects. I tightened them, over-tightened them, and lived with them to see which ones hold up and which ones aren't worth your time. Product number 1, non-slip hose clamp assortment 90 PCS. When I first picked up this non-slip hose clamp assortment, the stainless steel felt thick and solid, not flimsy like cheap clamps. The rolled edges were smooth, and I immediately noticed there were no perforations biting into the band. During install on a radiator hose and a fuel line, the 5/16 hex head made life easier with a nut driver. I cranked it down pretty hard on purpose, and it didn't twist or deform. What I liked most was how evenly it tightened without chewing into softer rubber hoses. After leaving it on an outdoor garden line for weeks, there was zero rust or seizing. Having 90 pieces in different sizes meant I stopped digging through old bins for the right clamp. If you want one kit that covers automotive, garden, and random home repairs, this one just makes sense. That reliability carried me into the next clamp I tested. Product number 2, T-Nicism T-Bolt Hose Clamp Assortment. Holding these T-Bolt clamps, the first thing I noticed was the weight. They feel industrial, like something meant to stay put under pressure. The bands are thick and the hardware doesn't feel soft or cheap. I used them on a radiator hose and a boosted silicone line, and the clamping force was no joke. Once tightened, nothing shifted even after heat cycles. The included M8 and M10 wrenches were surprisingly handy in tight engine bays, which saved me from hunting tools. What stood out during testing was how evenly the T-bolt design distributed pressure, especially on thicker hoses. I didn't see any leaks or hose deformation. With multiple sizes in the kit, it covered most mid-range applications I run into. If you're working on higher pressure systems or turbo setups, these make a lot of sense. From heavy-duty power, I moved towards something more general purpose, next for everyday shop use. Product number 3, Vesmakit 180 PCS Hose Clamp Assortment. When I opened this Vesmakit assortment, it honestly felt like a clamp warehouse in a box. The stainless bands were clean, edges smooth, and everything was clearly labeled, which I appreciated right away. I used these across plumbing repairs, fuel lines, and a radiator hose, and they tightened smoothly every time. The worm gear felt consistent, not jumpy, and I never had one slip or strip. What surprised me was how nice it was having markings on each band, so I wasn't guessing sizes mid-job. The included screwdriver and socket actually worked fine, not throwaway tools. After outdoor exposure, I didn't see rust or binding. With 180 pieces, this kit basically replaced all my random clamps. If you want maximum size coverage for home, automotive, and DIY work, this is hard to beat. That huge range led me into a more specialized clamp style afterward for bigger projects. Product number 4, 14 PCS T-Bolt Hose Clamps Assortment. These T-Bolt clamps felt purpose-built the moment I held them. The bands are wide, the edges rounded, and nothing feels sharp or rushed. I installed them on an intercooler pipe and a radiator hose, and tightening them felt controlled and secure. The nylon-locked nut stayed put even after vibration and heat. What I liked during testing was the confidence they gave me. Once tightened, I didn't second-guess them. No leaks, no slipping, and no hose damage thanks to the smooth flanged edges. The size range covered most performance hoses I work with, and having 2 of each size was practical. They're not for tiny lines, but that's not the point. If you're doing turbo, intake, or high-stress cooling work, these are built for that. After these, I went back to a more traditional clamp option for everyday repairs, where space and flexibility matter more than raw clamping force overall here. Product number 5, Heavy-Duty Hose Clamp Size 12-12 Pack. These size 12 worm gear clamps felt familiar but tougher than average when I handled them. The band is thick, non-perforated, and the screw threads are deep, which inspired confidence right away. I installed them on heater hoses, fuel lines, and a garden water line, tightening them harder than usual. They didn't strip, twist, or bite into the hose, which is exactly what I want. The rolled edges really do protect softer rubber and silicone. I also like that the sizes are clearly marked in non-metric units, so there's no guessing. After outdoor use and exposure, the stainless finish held up without corrosion. This pack doesn't overwhelm you with sizes, but the range it covers is incredibly common. If you want dependable, everyday radiator and fuel line clamps without buying a huge kit, these hit a sweet spot. That wrapped up my hands-on testing nicely for real-world daily use. All 5 of these clamps earn their place depending on what you're working on. I've left links in the description so you can check current prices and sizes. Hopefully this saves you from leaks, stripped clamps, and buying the wrong kit the first time.